Hello guys, welcome to Gadgets, the tech reporter. Samsung Galaxy J2 Core 2020 has quietly been launched in India. The phone arrives as a slightly upgraded model of the Galaxy J2 Core that was released in 2018. Frankly speaking, it is little disappointment for the Samsung users that only a few upgrades were included in the latest Core 2020. Samsung Galaxy J2 Core 2020 is priced in India at Rs 6,299, which is little more when compared to other budget-range smartphones in the market. There are various other smartphones which have much cool features with this price level, but Samsung is a brand which provides quality assurance. The smartphone sports a 5-inch QHD TFT LCD display and is powered by an unnamed 1.4 GHz quad-core SoC, coupled with 1 GB of RAM. On the optics part, there is an 8-megapixel camera at the back, along with an f2.2 aperture and an LED flash, and also has a 5-megapixel shooter with f2.2 aperture at the front. The 2600 mAh removable battery that is listed to offer up to 12 hours of video playback, 22 hours of talk time, and up to 91 hours of audio playback. The phone has dual micro SIM and runs on the dated Android 8.1 Oreo, the Go edition. The new phone comes with double the storage than predecessor. Samsung has provided 16 GB of onboard storage on the Galaxy J2 Core 2020. The 2018 model offered only 8 GB of storage and is further expandable via a dedicated micro South Dakota card, up to 256 GB. That is something interesting with this price tag. Connectivity options include 4G Volt, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 4.2, GPS, micro USB, and also a 3.5mm headphone jack, and weighs 154 grams, same as the 2018 model. Actually, the phone is a budget phone with normal specifications and large storage facility. While looking into the price tag, it is the only drawback we can see, and a lower price tag would attract more people into it.